Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to unbox or unbag the Unicook outdoor grill cover for 18-inch Weber kettle grill. Now this isn't my first Unicook cover. I have bought at least one other. I really like the quality of this. Comes with a little card, the quality commitment, that type of thing. What I really like about these is it's very, very sturdy. This one comes with hooks. I don't know what those are for. But this is just a real simple cover. You see the inside. It's real nice. It's supposed to be UV protected. And based on my experience with Unicook, I couldn't help but buy this one. As you can see, this one didn't stand up very well compared to some of these others that I have. This is a brand name. I'm not going to mention names, but it's a manufacturer's, not Weber's. And it didn't last 2 or 3 months. It started turning purple. So I have decided that I want a better one. Comes with nice little ties. Fits on perfect. Doesn't quite go all the way to the ground. But it'll serve its purpose. Keep the sun and the rain off of my grill. So to answer the question, would I buy this again? Well, I did. This is not my first Unicook cover, and I'll continue to buy them as long as they continue to make a fine product. Thank you for watching.